Hey guys, I just wanted to talk about one of the biggest misconceptions that, in my opinion, exists in dog training today. That is the assumption that your dog wants to please you all the time. There's this misconception out there that your dog wants to be obedient all the time, wants to listen to you all the time, and the only thing that's really stopping him is that he doesn't understand. So teach him what it is that you want, he will always do what you want. If you really kind of think about that and kind of evaluate it and really consider it in your head with a logical mindset, you'll see the fallacy behind that. How foolish that assumption is. How narcissistic that assumption is. That your dog has this all-encompassing need to please you at all times. Now, don't get me wrong. There are dogs that definitely want to please you, and their dogs enjoy pleasing you. And I believe that most dogs have some inclination, be it larger or smaller, to please their handler. But it's far from all-encompassing. There are definitely times, right, where your dog would rather be doing something else. He'd rather be sniffing that other dog or chasing that squirrel or whatever it is that you can come up with. He'd rather be doing that. It's not an all-encompassing need to please you at all times. And I understand why it exists. It's really something that's pushed by the force-free, positive-only training movement, that your dog will always be obedient if you just teach him what it is that you want. It's patently false. There are many dogs that this is just definitely not the case. One of the biggest pieces to an effective training program is teaching the dog that there are some cases where you must listen to me whether you want to or not. Regardless of the distractions, you need to listen to me and you need to follow my instructions, otherwise there is a consequence. And training systems that don't include this piece are guaranteed to fail.